Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Tailscale on TrueNAS Scale. So let's get right into it. First off, head over to the Tailscale website and log into your account. And once you're inside, you want to go to settings. From here, you want to look for keys, this one. So click on keys. On this page, you'll see the option to generate an auth key. So you want to click this and click generate key. And what you have to do is just wait for it to appear and then copy that key. We'll need it in the TrueNAS setup. All right. Now on your TrueNAS Scale web interface, you want to go to the app section and select either available applications or discover apps. Both will actually work. Then you want to search for Tailscale and make sure you pick the official Tailscale app, click install, and during the installation process, you'll see a configuration panel. And then in the configuration area, you want to paste the auth key you copied earlier. If you want your TrueNAS Scale server to act as an exit node, you want to make sure to enable that option as well. If not, you can leave it off. Below that, you should see options, just routes. This is where you can enter your local IP ranges if you want to access specific parts of your network through the Tailscale tunnel. Add those only if needed. Then once everything looks good, just go ahead and click save. TrueNAS Scale will now deploy the app and connect your server to your Tailscale network. And that's it. Your TrueNAS Scale box is now fully connected to Tailscale. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.